Good afternoon. It's Wednesday afternoon. We are at the Goodwill in Sandy, Utah. It happens to be half off home goods only day, so it should not be too big, busy, but it'll be good for us because that's what we buy as home goods mostly. So I'm excited.
I'll be interested to see how they categorize it because some things say furniture, some things say hard goods. I'm like, what's considered a home good?
It is the afternoon, so maybe all the good stuff is picked over, but it's like a random Wednesday they decided to do this sale. So let's go inside and see what we can flip for a profit. Oh, I definitely have a ton of stuff. Oh my gosh, look how cute this puppy is. I love that. I'm gonna grab that for sure. But they definitely are not having any shortage of home goods here. Or Halloween. Oh, there's a chicken. It's a pretty rooster. I like the finish on it.
Are these false craft? They look in false craft. Tags. Missing the stopper, so gonna keep on moving. I wonder if this goes with I wonder if this could be categorized as a little crock that Jami would do soap in.
Sub's definitely gonna want these, although I'm not gonna lie, I don't think the greenhouse is happening this year, but we're still getting the terracottas.
This looks more like a planter than a dish. Not sure what kind. It says hard goods. We'll see if that counts as home goods. If it's not, I don't want it. Is this a little soap dish? Is that what this is for? I like the floral on there. $3.99.
That's cute. I like the greenery in that.
This is fun. Checking for chips. Oh, there it is. That's why it made it to the thrift store.
I have reorganized this since the last time I was here. But definitely gonna grab that little jar. That'd be a fun makeover, or we could sell it as is. Oh, hey. I just bought and sold one of these last week. Half off. That'll make it only $5. Grab that for sure. That's a cool vintage pan. This one too. It's like really nice heavy duty.
Oh, they condensed the mug. They had it down the whole aisle and now they've condensed it.
Look at that one.
That was fun.
It's a cute little mug too.
Couple of rolling pins. This one feels like it's got the metal bearings. $3.99. If I can get it for $2, I'll pick it up. I like the handles on it. And we just did one with the new Iron Orchid Designs inlay. That was a lot of fun. So we'll do that.
This bunny bowl is excellent. I know spring is a long ways away, but you got to get the good stuff when you can find it. It's signed on the bottom, so it's a pottery piece, like a pottery studio. I like this water. It's $3.99. It's been outside. It's all faded and good. Oh, look at that. It's a big vase. Half off. It's a good deal.
I like this. It's just pretty simple. It's like a plywood on there. Little towel rack shelf for $4.99.
Here's another cabbage bowl. This one looks like it's one of those big aluminum ones. I like that. Well, that's cute. It's covered for flowers. It's only $3.99. If there's anything else, I can't move it out here. That's a different pattern I haven't seen before. It's cute. I have a decent amount of Corel wire, so I think I'm gonna slow my roll on it for a bit.
I don't think this tray really needs painted, but maybe like an inlay or something. Decoupage, transfer, $5.99. See if we can find anything down this aisle.
This is a pretty good bag of hardware for $3.99. It's half off, which means it's $2. And it's got a good amount. Some of it's kind of boring, but I like the braided design on that pole, so I'm gonna grab them. That's cute. Salt and pepper shaker set.
Okay, we got a ton of really good blankets this week, so it's gonna have to be a good one if I'm gonna take it home.
You know, I love me a topiary. Definitely needs the bottom fixed, but for that price, we will salt wash it and fix it up.
I just spied some roosters. Look at this guy. I think I will leave the metal one here, but this one, check the price. $9.99. That put it at $5 if it's half off housewares.
I also really love this topiary. Perfect for the holidays. I'm definitely grabbing this hibiscus pillow cover. The price is good. It's got like hand stitching on it. That's cute. This is a darling wreath. Somebody put a lot of work into this and it's only $3.99. If somebody doesn't buy it now, we'll just save it till spring. All right, what's the grand total for 2 carts?
Half off was real. The hard goods count, which is what we got. We were at $146. Then he put the coupon in and we paid $79.
It would have been even less, but Zeb got some candy. Little discount mallow cream pumpkins. We are at Goodwill number 2. But this might be the last one because we do have a lot of things we got to get to, but it's half off day. It's too good.
Yeah.
We couldn't just go to one.
We haven't been to this one since last half off the whole store, and that was crazy town. So we'll see what happens.
Hopefully they restocked. That is a cute pumpkin that somebody else has already done a lot of the work on. Yep, it's going in my cart. This is cute. I like the little feet on it.
I think this quilt is machine pieced, but homemade. I'm gonna open it up and see. It's only $7.99, and if that is half off, I can't leave it here.
And here's another one. They're like a good little pair. I come down the aisle, and Zeb has found like that puff quilt goes good with my pumpkin.
So it's homemade. Look at it.
Oh yeah, it's pieced together. That's cute. I like it.
$7.99. So we just ran into my cousin. I didn't know she wanted to be filmed or not, but she's like, "Oh, I was wondering if we'd see you here. It's half off." What is that? I think it's some sort of terracotta baker or something. I'm gonna leave it here though, because I don't know what it's for. These teacups are awesome. I need to see if I can find some plates with the gold on there, made in USA. They're $2.99, but if I can get them for $1.50, that's a great deal.
That's really cute. It needs a new paint job. It'll be good painted. This is a really cool mug. It's got a little bird. It's lavender. It holds a lot of beverage. I got that.
I just gave my teacups away. I passed a lady and she had the saucers. So I was like, they need to be together. I was looking for the saucers and she had them. I'm like, here you go. Oh, these are cool. These boat anchor. They're cast iron. They've got them for $2.99 each. Dropping stuff.
It's a cute organizer. $1.99 at half off. That's good. Then I found this seashell. I thought that it might be fake, but it is real, and it's real big.
The music is cranking right here in this aisle. So this is wrought iron with like a porcelain thing in the middle. I think that would almost be fun to paint and then do like some IOD on it. That's not bad. I just don't know that I love, like, what is that, lipstick? But the porcelain hook on there is amazing. Got a little pedestal candlestick, or maybe just a pedestal. Oh, it was at DI first. Now it's $1.99 here. Someone painted it. It needs more paint though. Made in Japan. That's interesting.
Look at this. Is fun. Like a laundry room. I love that. And I think I'll leave this on this side, but I can put like a transfer on this side so you could use it either way. Is this a Lazy Susan that's a sunflower?
It looks like leaves.
Oh, I don't know what it is actually. It's like homemade.
Lazy Susan.
I actually think I would like to repaint it though, or put a new transfer on it, but with a scalloped edge, that's kind of fun. Oh no, missing a hand. That one could be really good. I like this chicken. It's the day of chickens. I think it's like the 4th chicken that we found. Oh, it's a Shirley Temple doll in a box. $5.99. Yep, you're coming with me. I love that dress.
Wonder how much this mirror is. $7.99. It's wood. I like that.
Oh, it's a little birdie, like ring holder situation. I think it just needs a new paint job. Somebody trying to glaze it, but it didn't quite work out.
I was coming over here to look at this. I'm not really quite sure what it's for. Maybe a lid or something, but there's this Ray Dunn Eat dog bowl. At least it looks like a dog bowl. $3.99.
That's a fun mirror. It's newer, but it's made to look old. And I think it would be maybe fun to put a transfer on, but maybe just sell it as is. It's $3.50. I like it. I'm gonna grab it.
I was walking down the aisle here and found this. I think it's crystal. It's very heavy, very, very heavy. It's hard to say. Oh, it's got the prisms.
So I bought some stuff that wasn't half off. I don't know what it was. Probably the mirrors too. They might have been furniture.
Yeah, I don't know. Not as many things counted as housewares stuff. We went from 100 to 77, which is still $23, so I'll take it.
Yeah. And we got an overflowing cart. Look at the witch's legs are hanging out. All right, we're home. Let's do some makeovers from today's thrift finds. These are just gonna get a good scrub and some Iron Orchid Designs transfers, so I will do that while things are drying. These are just gonna get a fun new paint finish. This is gonna get some salt wash to clean up that situation, and we're going to put some new moss in here, and it's gonna look brand new. So I found this little dab of salt wash in Provincial. I'm gonna pour in some plaster. This is Cottage color with a built-in sealer. Add a little bit more salt wash. All right, it's all mixed up. It's mostly plaster color. There wasn't much Provincial left, but now I'm using every last bit. All right, now we're gonna just slop this on here. It doesn't look real attractive, but I promise you, it's gonna look good once it dries. All right, so I kind of stippled it. We're gonna let that dry. I have a decent amount of my mixture left up, so I think I'm gonna paint this boring little pedestal with it, give it some texture. Don't mind me, I'm filming and brushing at the same time, but you guys get the idea here. All right, this isn't bad. It's a little orangey red for me, so I'm just gonna work with it. We're gonna paint it gold. I'm using golden ticket. Has a built-in sealer. It won't take me too long. And it'll look good over the red. All right, well, first coats are drying on this. Let's switch over to these projects. I'm gonna give them a wash. So I'm gonna put the corners in first. I've got the Winter Botanist transfer, which I think is really pretty. And I'm gonna layer this in here and then add some birds from the Botanist transfer. I just washed this. This was the color that it was. And then I took a magic eraser to get off the scuffs. So this was easy. And then the same thing with this. I just actually could see a drip there. I scrubbed it, magic erasered it, and then I'm gonna put a transfer on the front. Now the question is, let me know when it's centered.
Yeah, that looks pretty good right there.
Okay. So sometimes I just use the stick and then pull as I go, and then it kind of goes faster and I see where I need to like rub on. Just don't push too hard, especially if your paint's fresh. And use a nice flat side of the transfer stick and it'll go on nice and easy. All right. The last bird is on, and then all I need to do is just put some sealer over the tray and this project is done. I love this transfer because it's kind of Christmassy, but also this one is an everyday transfer. Like, I don't think anybody's gonna see this and say, oh, that's Christmas. Ta-da! I'm using DIY clear wax, and I'm gonna go over the whole thing because it's really matte, and I wanna keep the sheen kind of the same. So I'll let it sit here for a little bit, and then I'll just rub it in, and we'll be good to go. All right, I added a little bit more glue because it was a little loose. It'll dry in a second. But I'm also going to put new Spanish moss because for whatever reason, when these topiaries are made, they use the worst moss. It's like the cheapest spray-on situation. So I'm just gonna keep adding moss all the way around and gluing it in. The worst part about adding moss is it's so messy, but the best part is it looks so good when it's done. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit more, make sure there's no like hanging moss, and that the hot glue solidifies this, and then this is done. So I'm just gonna lightly sand this to bring back some of that original color on the edge, and then this is done. It's got built-in sealer. I might come back later with some clear wax, but I'm gonna add dark wax to age the gold. And if a little bit of the red peeks through, that's okay, because it's authentic. Because gold leafing always has red underneath it.
These Goodwills need to stop with the half off because I'm not going to be able to shop at them on regular weeks when they're not half off.
I know, I'm so spoiled. I'm like, give me half off day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my little thrift loops at the end. They didn't take hardly any time at all. My favorite was definitely, let me grab it, the topiary, because I feel like nobody would have bought this because it was all broken up, and now it's brand new, and that hot glue, as promised, it's like, can't move it, so it's perfect. And I did give it a little bath. It was dusty. If you guys need pay-in products, be sure to visit JamiRayVintage.com. And if you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY
and thrifting. We'll see you on the next episode.